Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason, and we're going to be doing another network troubleshooting on Cisco Packet Tracer. This one we're having static routing issues. We have 4 routers with the ultimate goal of router 0 being able to ping router 3. Looks like we might have to do some seeing what we have working. So what we're going to start with is just give it a try, like always. Do an enable, and we're going to ping the far router over here at network at 192.168.30.2, and I'm assuming it should come up with a 0% success. Then we're going to do a little investigating. Yep, 0% success. And so let's do a show run, see kind of what they have going on in here. It looks as though the interface 000 has a correct IP address listed /24 subnet mask, and there is a route summarization set up on this router. However, looking at it, the 255.255.255.0 is the wrong subnet mask, so that's not working. So let's go in and config term in order to, let's make this where it will work. 192.168.0.0, and what we want is a 255.255.0.0, a /16 subnet mask, with the next hop being right here at router 1. 2, there we go. And then let's kind of continue on, jumping into router 1, seeing kind of what's going on over here. So we'll do another show run, and it has 2 interfaces set up. Looks like a 10.2 and a 20.1 correct subnet mask. It actually has a proper route summarization set up, so it should be able to get over to this network on its own. Obviously, it's got direct connected to this and this, so let's continue on. Let's show you that in another way. Let's do a show IP route. Now we can see what's local, connected, and static. So here's what we're looking for with the static route that was configured previously. Everything seems good there. So let's jump over into router 2. See, do another enable. Show run. And it's got both of its 20.2 and its 30.1 interfaces are set up properly. It does not have any kind of pre-configured routes other than local and connected. So as it sits, router 2 doesn't know how to get over to this network, to router 0. So I'm going to go in and configure that. So config term, and we're going to do IP route. We're going to do another summarization on that one as well. So 192.168.0.0, and router 2's next hop, first hop heading that way, is router 1 at 192.168.20.1. Okay, end of that. Then we're going to jump on over into router 3. Let's see what it's got going on here. Enable, show run, and it has its interface 30.2, correct subnet mask, and it does have a route summarization. Oh, no, not a route summarization. It has a way to get back over to this network right here, with router 1, right here. However, it doesn't know how to get over here. So as it stands, we would not be able to ping 0 to 3 because it would not know its way back. Unless, let's just make sure. Yes. So we are going to go into one more config terminal and set up an IP route. And we're going to do another 192.168.0.0.0. Actually, let's show how. So it wants to get over to this network. It's the network we haven't got it connected to. So that is a .10.0 because that's the network address. 255.255.255.0/24. Now from router 3 back, its first hop is going to be 192.168.30.1. And that gives it communication to this, which was already configured, and to this, which we just did. So we're going to test that. We're going to end it. We're going to go back over to router 0 to start and just see if I can send a ping to router 3. 192.168.30.2. It's checking. It was successful. Let's do it again, and there we go, 100% success. And just so we know for sure, we're going to go back over into router 3. We're going to send the ping the other way. Ping 192.168.10.1. And there we are, 100% success rate. So we successfully configured and troubleshooted this routing issue. Thank you again for your time. I really enjoyed doing these.